In X mode.
Silicon a mat or fixture. The floating action between the work and the preface so exerted on the two is exerted and transmitted equally on all sides. Coolants are essential to the operation of this process to flush away small sheets and keep temperatures uniform. The honing tool is given a slow reciprocating motion as it rotates, having resultant honing speed from 15 to 60 mpm. This action results in rapid removal of stock and at the same time the generation of a straight and round surface. Most honing is done on internal surfaces or holes such as automobile cylinders.
Understood, no? Where this process used. So honing basically used to finish this hollow cylinders or in any circular board, anything with the help of machines. So only thing now in this process carried on the machine as well as we can put on the manual stroke also. Suppose the finishing paper there we need to control the quality or control the finish size, then we have to go for the manual stroke. Next. So application of honing. Honing is used for finishing boards in ferrous and non-ferrous material. Honing can be done in hard or unhardened states. Board of any size, length, blind or through tandem and interpreted surface can also be hung. Honing can be carried out on drilling or other machines with have an arrangement. And for rotary and reciprocating motion, simultaneously. Rotary motion can be given by spindle and reciprocating motion can be either manual or power depending upon the types of machine. So rotary machine में करना होता है. What is my rotary machine? It has to be rotary. And reciprocating motion means what? Up and down. Power reciprocating motion again. Huh? It's coming up and down. So it's all motions. Conversion of motion you should know. Right? In nut bolt mechanism, actually, you know what happens? One is rotated, one is going linearly movement. That nut and bolt case. Nut will remain same, but when you rotate the bolt, it's going away, inside or outside. So it's a linear motion. This way, the motion conversion you should know. Crankshaft, your drilling machine. Drilling machine table, what happens? When you rotate, it's coming up. When you rotate opposite direction, anti-clockwise, it's going down, up and down. So there is a again motion change. So there are some mechanism is there. In there, it is a rack and pinion arrangement. Means on the machine column upper, there are some straight peaks are it's rack levels. And pinion is on your table. So when you rotate, no, that pinion gear it's coincide with the linear rack, so it is going up and down. This type of mechanism we should do because when you're reading this type of book, there are some mechanism conversion, reciprocating, oscillating, rotary to linear. The word is to cover. Otherwise, no use. Sandesh, it's a lot. Ask us whatever. In mass production, special honing machines are used. So yesterday we stopped up to here. What are different honing stick and honing abrasive? The abrasive manufacturer use variety of code numbers to identify the abrasive types, grade, size, bond structure, and treatment of that individual product. This abrasive type, grade, size, bond structure. During grinding topic, I explained you what is the grade type, what is the bond structure, grade size, and abrasive type. The figure up, same logic you can apply. It is not practical to identify the various stones and so they are coding system that is common for all stone sizes. So identify करपा लागून they have made a common coding system. The abrasive grade identified. So conventional abrasive, for example, vitrified and resin bond using aluminum oxide and silicon carbide are the superior for cutting steel, iron, monoel stainless steel, cast iron, non-ferrous material, and plastic. So these are standard type. Standard कशा high speed blade are there are standard abrasive particles is one aluminum oxide and silicon carbide. These are generally maximum we are used for the cutting steel, iron, monoel steel, cast iron, non-ferrous metal, and plastic. So super abrasive. What do you mean by super abrasive? First is conventional abrasive. These are the basic aluminum oxide and silicon carbide. These are the maximum there. Now some called super abrasive. So super abrasive किती म्हणतात? So the diamond hunting stone in a metallic and resinoid bond have been used successfully for many years. So these hunts can be subjected to higher working pressure and surface speed than the conventional abrasive. So this is a used in a special case. With extended life from a reduced wear rate, these are the excellent choice for the large batches of components. So batch you can go for this because there is no wear and tear easily. But cost of this weight will be very high. So diamond and metallic resonant bond. So take a super abrasive mineral. The stone of cubic boron nitride accelerate stone removal and maintain long abrasive life in ferrous metal. The diamond stone in turn is excellent with the cast iron, chrome and carbide. So basically this is used in where diamond stone is in turn excellent in the cast iron, chrome and carbide. Hunting tools. Hunting tools is a super finish process carried out using abrasive sticks for the removal of stock from metallic and non-metallic surface. This process produce high surface finish. This already finished, no? You know, this process produce high surface finish, correct the profile cylindrical surface, and removes the taper. Working principle: hunting tool with abrasive mounted and it is held the spindle on a machine which can be rotated its axis, and the spindle rotates. Reciprocating motion is also given to the tool, and this surface produce will have a cross pattern, edge pattern, and this pattern of surface texture provides duplication in the cylindrical body. This I already told you. Methods of hunting. If you want, you can read this how this hunting is carried out. See. It can be done manual stroke or power stroke. Manual stroke is preferred in large quantity with tolerance extremely close, and many operators prefer this because of the flexibility in operation. Eliminate the use of expensive fixtures to hold the work, and eliminate the use of expensive jobs can be quickly charged from one type to another, and job can be reversed from end to end for accurate hunting and correction. Stroke length can be altered depending on actual requirement of the individual. The power stroking is used for hunting all types of workers. The power stroking may prove economic, particularly in the class of small parts. Hunting stone. Hunting stone consists of aluminum oxide and silicon carbide, diamond bonded together with a vitrified clay, cork, carbon, and metals. And the hunting stone have a porous structure, and this helps to chip wear. The grid size of abrasive use range from 36 to 600, but the most commonly used size is 120 to 320. So these are the two types of aluminum oxide and silicon carbide diamond. This is used cast iron, non-ferrous metal. Diamond mostly used in tungsten and ceramic. So काल ceramic आज आहे आपण गेले की about